A and B above are two similar cylinders. Find the volume V of cylinder A. First thing for us to answer this question, we know for two similar figures, if we take the ratio of their corresponding sides, like in this case for the cylinders, we take the ratio of their heights. Let's assume the height of cylinder B is h2. We divide h2 by the height of cylinder A. Let's take it to be h1. It will simply be equal to a constant k. Next, if we take the ratio of their areas, if we take the area of cylinder A, cylinder B, all over the area of cylinder A, this will simply be equal to k squared. The next, if we take the ratio of their volumes, volume of cylinder B all over the volume of cylinder A, this will simply be equal to k cube. We are going to make use of this in order to be able to answer the given question. Looking at the two cylinders A and B, their heights have been given. For A, the height is 8 centimeters. For B, the height is 12 centimeters. For A, the volume is V, which we are looking for, and for B, the volume is 54 centimeters cube. First, we need to start by looking for our K. So we are going to divide the height of cylinder B by the height of cylinder A. Take a solution. We have our K to be equal to, we are going to divide the height of cylinder B, which is 12 centimeters, by the height of cylinder A, which is 8 centimeters. This will simply be equal to centimeters will strike us centimeters. 12 divided by 4 gives us 3, and 8 divided by 4 gives us 2. So our constant K will simply be 3 on 2. Next, dividing the volume of cylinder B, which is 54 cm cube, by the volume of cylinder A, which is V, this will be equal to K, is our constant K cube. This will give us 54 cm cube all over V to be equal to, we are going to replace K with 3 over 2, 3 on 2, all this cube. A over B, all this raised to the power n, is simply the same as A to the power n over B raised to the power n. We are going to apply this property here. This will give us 54 cm cube on V to be equal to 3 cube, which is 3 times 3 times 3, 27, on 2 cube, which is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Then at this level, we are going to perform cross multiplication. V times 27, this will give us V times 27 to be equal to, we put the equality sign, to be equal to 54 cm cube times 8. Then V times 27 gives us 27V to be equal to 54 centimeters cube times 8, which is equal to 432 cm cube. Next, for us to get the value of V, we are going to divide both sides by 27. Then 27V divided by 27 will be equal to 432 cm cube divided by 27. Then 27 will strike us 27. We'll be left with V to be equal to 432 divided by 27 gives us 16 cm cube. Then we conclude, therefore, the volume of cylinder A is V equal to 16 centimeters cube. We underline the answer. We are done with the solution of the question. If in case you have any worries, you feel free to leave your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.